So today we are going to practice palindrome problem of Leetcode. So let's read the question. So it's given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome integer. So we have to write a code for to check if a number is a palindrome or not. If it is palindrome, then we have to return true, and if it not, then we have to return false. So let's see first what is palindrome number. So palindrome number are those number when we read from left to right or from right to left. So it will be same if we read from left to right and right to left, so it will be same. So those number are palindrome number. For example, here I write 1 to 1. By the way, differential is given here in the question. So let's say I have write 1 to 1, so I will read from left to right. So I will read 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay, then I will read from right to left. This is your number. Okay, I will read from left to right, then I will read from right to left. So 1 here, 1 to 1. So I will write here 1 to 1. So see, both are same. And if we suppose which number is not palindrome number, so let's see 1 2 3. If we read from left to right, so it will be 1 2 3. So left to right, and we will read from right to left, right to left, so it will be 3 to 1. So this number, so left to right number and right to left number are not same, so this is not a palindrome number. And also a number which is negative sign, which have negative sign, suppose I have written here minus 1 to 1. So we'll read from left to right, L to R, so it will be minus 1 to 1, and I will read from right to left, so it will be 1 to 1 minus. So it is not same. So negative number and this type number is not a palindrome. So let's get into the code. So first I will explain what I will going to do in code. So first step is that we will convert this x number into a string. So step 1, convert the number into string. Okay, step 2, convert, okay, reverse turn string we will reverse the string using slicing. Okay, step 3 is store into the variable. We will store this variable. Step 4, we will compare this number which we store into the variable with previous number, or you can say x. Okay, with x. Okay, so it is, if we compare this number and it will be, if it is same, then we will return true, else false, else if it is not same, then we will return false. So only, so this step we will follow into the code. So I will create here a variable. So let's say palindrome. I created palindrome. Now I will write the code for str, convert into the string strx. Then we will reverse the number using slicing. So bracket -1. Okay, and I press enter. Now I will write the I will compare this number, palindrome number, to x. If palindrome is equal to str of x, return true, else return false. Okay, so this is what we have to do. We have written all the code. Now we will check that it is working or not. So let's see, we will run the code here. Okay, it says 1 to 1 true, output is true, expected true. Now we'll submit it. Let's see it's accepting or not. Yeah, it's accepted. So what I will what this statement does is, I have written step number 1 and 2 into 1, 2 and 3, step number 1, 2 and 3 into the one statement. So what this does is, I will write it into very simple form so you will be able to understand. So print, I will let you know what this code does is, print palindrome and run. Here you will see standard output 1 to 1. Okay, yeah. So what this statement does is, it will take the number. Suppose I have given number x equal to 1 to 1. Okay, now what this statement does is, it will first convert into this number into a string as 1 to 1. Now it will reverse the number. So using slicing is a concept in string. So x -1. So what this does is, it will reverse the number. So I have written 1 to 1, so it will do 1 to 1 again, same. Now I have stored into the variable which was palindrome equal to 1 to 1 in string format. Now I will I have here this comparison, if condition and else condition. So what I have done here is, if palindrome is equal to comparison operator here, string of x. So I had compared this number with this number 1 to 1. So if this number, so it's true, so it will return true. Now if let's take another number 1 2 3. Now if what was the first step? Convert the number into a string. So I will convert the number into a string. Okay, second step was reverse the number using slicing. So reverse the number using slicing, and now stored into the variable. So palindrome was a variable, and this will be our. So this process I have done into the one statement. Okay, now I will compare this palindrome number with str of x, which is 1 2 3. So now I will compare equal to 1 2 3. So you can see that this is not true, so it will return false. Now I will see here test cases. I will change 1 2 3, run the code. Now you will see here that it will return false. Oh sorry, run the code. Yeah, see 1 2 3 palindrome 3 to 1. Here I have printed the what this palindrome hold, what the value palindrome variable holding. 1 2 3 3 2 1 false false. So that's for the video. Thank you.